All right, here we got a 2016 Cadillac. What is it, STS?
ATS.
ATS. I'm at A-Car Auto Sales in Middletown, New Jersey. Not New York.
New Jersey.
And New Jersey, that's right. And this thing's got a heck of a story behind it. I'm wondering if you'd be willing to tell it to us. The backstory that I got is, maybe you could help me out with this.
Yeah, for sure. So, car came in, bad engine, wasn't starting. We replaced the motor with 1 year over. So this is 2016. We replaced the engine with a 2017. Crank, no start. Crank endlessly. We couldn't get anywhere. We decided to send it to a dealership that we're gonna keep unknown. And they had it for 3 months, and they told us that they can't figure it out at all. No start, no crank, everything.
And then the dealer said that they had it running at one point, and then it died again, and it wouldn't restart.
Correct.
All right. So, and that's where we're at. We're here with this thing. I'm going to get a scanner connected to it, and we're going to see what we got, man. All right, I'm in the car. We're just going to verify the complaint real quick. We are cranking for days, man. We got nothing. All right, so when I got started, this battery in this car was flat as a pancake. I just put a charger on it, cycled the key a couple of times, got 8 million codes, cleared everything, cranked it for a little bit, and this is what we got. We got barely any codes, nothing in the engine computer. Time to dig a little deeper. All right, pardon the glare here, but so I got my scanner connected. I'm sniffing through data stream, just snooping, man. I got the key on, we're not cranking the car, and we're just snooping, just looking for anything that's out of the norm, right? Here's your desired fuel rail pressure. We're gonna keep going. That's your low fuel pressure. Fuel rail pressure sensor is at 3,800 PSI. I'm sure some people are gonna love seeing me do this. I'm gonna crack this line. All right, we got a little fuel dribbling. We got just a little bit of something coming out, nothing crazy. All right. We're still showing 3,800 PSI. All right, my next course of action. I went to the rail pressure sensor, verified referencing ground. Right now I'm on the signal wire. All right, we got 4.36 volts on that. I've got a decade box connected in series to the circuit. I've already got it pre-adjusted. What I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna add my decade box into the circuit, and we're gonna watch my actual and desired. Voila. All right, that about wraps it up. We're gonna get this car a fuel rail pressure sensor and send it on its way.